Hey, what's up, everyone? What's going on? This is Mr. Riley from Mr. Riley's World over here, hanging out on the West Coast, the best coast. Hopefully, everything is going well with you and yours. We are one day after celebrating Christmas. And so, Christmas was wonderful around here. Over here in Riley World, we had family over. It was supposed to be a breakfast kind of situation. However, I think it turned into a brunch, and then it turned into just family hanging out for the duration of the day. And so we had a good time, just hanging out, playing games, chilling with family, and doing what family does. Of course, opening gifts since it was Christmas. So belated Merry Christmas, if you will. So hopefully everything is going well. And then it rained like cats and dogs. And so the sun was out today, and it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So we'll see what the future holds for us. But hopefully everything is going well with you and yours. And so today is the first day of Kwanzaa. That's right, first day of Kwanzaa, which is we're celebrating the principle of Umoja, Umoja, which is unity. And so let's just go straight to the graphic right here. And so as we begin to talk about what Kwanzaa is, hopefully, if you know me, you know I like to celebrate Kwanzaa. And so today is the first day of Kwanzaa, Umoja. Umoja is Swahili for unity, and you see the symbol right there, the Adinkra symbol that means unity. And then it says to strive and maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. And so, one quick question that I have for you. If you're watching, and if you want to participate live, that's cool. If you want to add a comment after the live, then go ahead and do so. But my question for you is, since today is unity, we're focusing in on unity. My question for you, my friend, is how will you strive for unity in your family, your community, your nation, and your race? And so as we look forward to going through the 7 days of the principles of Kwanzaa, the Nguzo Saba, today is focused on unity. And so with so much decisiveness going around in the world, in our nation, how can you promote the principle of unity amongst your family, amongst your friends, your job, wherever you might go? How will you focus in on being united as we move into the new year and actually finish up this year? So that's my question for you, my friend. And each day I'll come back and we can do a virtual celebration and just honoring, looking at the different principles of Kwanzaa here. I'm not too sure. I'm going to try to go live every single day around the same time. And so if you would like to hop on with me, if you're watching, I know I have friends on the East Coast who usually post their happy Kwanzaa very early in the morning. Of course, there is a time difference of 2 or 3 hours, but if you know me and you're interested and you want to do a live chat conversation, have a conversation about some of the principles centered around Kwanzaa, then hey, let's make it happen. We can send you a link and have you hop on, and we can discuss how Kwanzaa has changed you and some of the principles and how you focus and synergize these principles in your life. And so that's all I have tonight. Just wanted to hop on here really, really quick and make sure that I honor and recognize the first day of Kwanzaa, which is unity. UNITY. Going back to Queen Latifah. UNITY. That's the unity. Anyway, so I'm Mr. Riley. I'm signing out. Hopefully your day is going well or your evening is going well. And we'll come back tomorrow. And if you have some questions about what Kwanzaa is all about, let me know. We can have a conversation about that. But briefly, since I got you here real quick, and if you do not know what Kwanzaa is, let me go ahead and just kind of educate you just for a hot second here. So Dr. Karenga, back in the 1960s, created Kwanzaa And basically, it's a cultural holiday celebrated across the world. And so he wrote in 2016 a brief description of what Kwanzaa is. And so I'd like to share that with you right now. And then, we'll go from there. There we go. Okay. So, very briefly, it just says Kwanzaa is an African American and Pan African holiday which celebrates family, community, and culture. It was created in 1966 by Dr. Marlene Karenga, professor of Africana Studies. A 7-day cultural festival begins December 26th, which is today, and ends on January 1st. It joins communitarian values and practices of continental African and African American culture. During the holiday, families and communities organize activities around the Nguzo Saba, which simply means in Swahili, the 7 principles: Umoja, unity; Kujichagulia, self-determination; Ujima, collective work and responsibility; Ujama, cooperative economics; Nia, purpose; Kuumba, creativity; and Imani, faith. Participants also celebrate with feasts, which is a kamaru, music, dance, poetry, narratives, and end the holiday with a day dedicated to reflection and recommitment to the 7 principles and other central cultural values. So that's what Kwanzaa is all about. And so, again, my day one question for you, if you're just hopping on, I think I do see a comment. Unity means to strive and maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. And if you're just joining, again, my question for you is, and you can respond in the chat box below, how will you strive for unity in your family, community, nation, race? How will you be united? And so I do see a comment. Erwin, what's going on, my man? Let me check out your comment really quick. Erwin says, remember those Kwanzaa celebrations at Raleigh World way back in the day? Great times. Absolutely, man. I remember those celebrations. We used to go all out and just kind of have a wonderful time with family and friends and all that kind of good stuff, man. Maybe we should bring that back. And every year around this time, I say the same thing. Maybe we should have a karamu, dedicated towards, just celebrating Kwanzaa, man. Those are some good times, man. And I think, we do have the space. I don't know. Maybe we have to talk to the wife and see if we can pull off something and have some friends and family over. I don't know. I do have my Kanara, the candles, and some of the symbols of Kwanzaa in my garage. And so I can pull those out and we can definitely go through some of the customs and just really have a good time. So yes, I do remember, to answer your question, good times with family and food and all that kind of good stuff. So something to think about, Mr. Irwin, something to think about. So in any event, I'll come back tomorrow with day 2 and we'll celebrate Kujichagulia. Kujichagulia, which means self-determination. So be ready for that tomorrow, day 2 of Kwanzaa. All righty. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace. Thanks for watching, Arwen.